How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Well, guys, today I was invited out here to this lovely Chippewa National Forest by fellow YouTuber, Mr. On the Trail 82, Mr. John.
On the trail with Candyman today.
That's right. He's gonna accompany me today, and we're gonna have a really good time. We're gonna hike 3 miles out to the Joyce Estate. The campsite's actually on the beach, which is gonna be really fun experience. We might get some thunderstorms overnight at 2 a.m., so that might be a little exciting. Because Mr. John invited me out to this adventure, I'm going to gift him my old drone here. This is my old Mavic 2, and this is gonna be going to John, so you'll have to check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description down below. He's gonna have some very tasty drone shots coming up. And guys, I got myself the brand new Mavic 4 Pro. And actually, I'm gonna put some sick drone shots right now. If you guys are checking this out, this drone films incredible scenes. Anyways, guys, let me put my heavy 46-pound pack on. John's already got his pack on. It's like half the size. We're gonna go do that 3-mile hike, and we're gonna start this adventure in 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, guys, Mr. On the Trail 82 is an actual camper hiker where I just wing it, bro. I don't know what I'm doing out here. I don't pretend to know what I'm doing out here. Oh, we got to get under a tree here. Oh, push me under.
You're close,
Oh, limbo.
You push the tree up.
Oh, got it. We got it. Woo, this pack's heavy, guys.
You got down trees on the trail.
Got some down trees. Guys, it's not an adventure until either I pass out or I'm bleeding. So look for that later. That's gonna happen.
We can make that happen.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, we're looking at Trout Lake on our right, so that means that we're probably getting pretty close here. We got another down tree up here. But there's a few campsites that we can pick from out here. And we're hoping, there's a group of people out here, we're hoping we can get one of the sites, and they're not at both. But we have 3 sites to pick from, possibly 4, so I think we'll be good. We'll be able to find one, hopefully. If not, we're just gonna camp right at the estates where we need to. We're gonna find a place to camp out here, because I am not walking back without camping, that's for sure. No.
Oh,
look at that, bro.
Oh, damn.
Dang.
Oh, damn, that's a big fall, man. Man, this is gonna take them some work to clear this thing out.
Yeah.
All right, you're good now, yeah. Easy. Yeah, that took some shit with it. Man.
See if I can get through it.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh. Woo! Holy shit. I'm a-coming. I'm a-coming. Woo! I made it, yay.
You just kind of emerging out of a...
Yeah, out of the freaking
nothingness.
massive tree.
Trail right here somewhere. Yes, look at this old ass tree too.
Dang.
Damn. That thing's kind of cool.
Is this the site?
Oh, there's people here.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah, they got a boat. We'll be able to see them leave then.
Okay.
All right, good. That's...
Well, guys, it looks like there's some people from a boat that are at the campsite. So I'm gonna take my pack off. Oh, that's so good, guys. Oh. Whew. people have left the campsite, so we're like rushing over there.
Slow down.
Rush farther, rush faster, go, go. John can't see what's behind him. But looks like we got that site to ourselves. Oh, watch out, John.
That's why I said slow down.
We got that site to ourselves now because those people on the boat left. They were just there for a little day swim and lunch. And we are back on the trail to our site. John's excited.
I'm geeked.
Yeah, he's geeked out, guys. Geeked. Hello. Hi. Are you guys staying here tonight? No. Okay. Okay, sweet. You care if we set our packs down? No. That's a long hike. It's close. It's real close. Yeah. Less than 5 minutes. Well, there's still a couple people here, but they're just resting for a second. Look at this beach. Let's take a look at what this sign says. Chippewa National Forest Disperse Site. Keep a clean camp. You'll be less likely to attract bears. We got Glock 17 if any bears come, but we don't need the Glock 17 because we got John. He is the Glock 17. He's got the guns. 2 tickets to the gun show for the bears. Those people left, so it's just us now. And the people in the boat left too. There's 2 boats out here. So we are all alone.
We're gonna set up our tents right here.
Got it, guys. Now we're all set up. Now let's go do a little swimming and then we're gonna eat some lunch. These are my goat grips, guys. It feels like you're walking barefoot, but you can walk on stuff. I got my swim trunks on. My legs are pasty, don't look. Did it? Get your snorkel, dude. Yeah, dude. Gotta get the snorkel. Woo, here we go. Balls are going in. Oh, shit.
That's how you gotta do it. You gotta jump in. That's
Woo! Right? I haven't used this in a while.
We're kicking up to it.
I know, I can't see. Yeah, me and John were getting pretty hot, so it's pretty nice to take a dip into the water and cool off our core body temperature. Yeah, that was sweet, guys. Now we're gonna make a little lunch, I think. Okay, guys, for a little lunch, we are gonna do an MRE. If it's good enough for our military, it's probably good enough for me. Peelable seal. Oh, I got something to open this. We don't peel nothing. When you're out in the woods, you just don't know what I might have carrying with me. I could put this on a stick. There's my,
Right?
there's my spear. Ooh, tortillas. I don't know what's in this one. I've never had this one.
Oh, say like
Oh,
chicken
chicken chunks. Is it like chicken tortillas?
That sounds like
Here we go. We're gonna start with our energy bar. It's an apple cinnamon flavor, first strike. We're gonna start with this guy. Oh yeah, pretty good.
oh my god.
It's a little floppy.
Looks like bird food.
If it's good enough for the birds, it's good enough for me. Beef sticks, there we go. There we go, meal fit for a king. We got chicken chunks, some cheese.
Oh, there goes one.
Everything's blowing away.
You gotta watch this thing, man.
Let's try it. Not bad. That's pretty good. It tastes pretty fresh. Okay guys, we hung out at camp for a while and that was fun. I feel satiated after having that MRE, and now we're gonna go explore all the derelict buildings and stuff. Guys, welcome to the Joyce Estate.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. It was like across the lake or something.
Yeah, see, look, it's all wide open in there.
Dude.
Yeah. iPhone's filming just fine. Hey, this fire, we're all chopped up.
Cool. Little bunk beds or something? Or a little storage place?
Power box in here. Or a little electrical box. I have to keep it all open and walk around and explore.
Hello? Looks like a lot of black mold. They get cooked meals and stuff on it. Cool. We're gonna go check out the old cabins, guys. There's some like spooky stairs that go up. Where are they? Oh, right here. Oh God.
There, I'll follow you up. I gotta turn around and film this
These stairs are sketchy. Oh yeah. I'm the king of the mountain. King of the mountain, baby. This is sweet, dude. They must have had like a wood something here that raised all this up.
There's probably a cabin right here.
Yeah.
That's a little fireplace. They just took all the foundations and everything are probably gone now.
Yep.
Yeah, that was
I can see like some of the concrete. That's still standing. Wow.
I know, yeah. That's the think it was a guest cabin, or it was maybe the maid's cabin.
Mary Louise.
Originally used by her Chicago friend Mary Louise. They built a cabin just for their friend.
Cool.
That means they had buku money.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the exact same as the other one.
Is it?
Yeah. Except the bathroom's a little more finished. Sweet. Just enough room for a bed in these things, that's it.
There's like a shower and a tub or something in there. Or a toilet. There's the toilet, right?
Yeah,
Toilet
yeah,
and
toilet and tub.
tub, yeah.
You see the outline of the tub was, yeah.
Yeah.
These are probably as best as tile they are. That's crazy.
Okay guys, we're back at camp and it is hot and humid. It's like 90 degrees still.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump back in the water and kind of cool off. I'm definitely feeling the sun and stuff. Ugh. How about that, guys, for a homemade spear? We're gonna go test it out in the water in a little bit.
Take two of getting into the lake. I'll leave my sunglasses over here. There we go. Get some underwater shots over here.
Woo!
Well, it's a little bit colder than it was earlier.
Yeah. Okay guys, I made this homemade spear and we're gonna try it out and see if we can't catch some food for John there for his fish tacos. Beef fish tacos.
He'll be eating his own fish tacos.
I got him! Guys, I was able to spear a fish. It's a bluegill, but it's so silty I can't see him, but he's down there. I just got to retrieve him and then we're going to eat him. Whenever I kill something, I want to have a purpose to it. I'm not just going to kill it and leave it. We're going to eat that fish, but I can't see. He's down there somewhere. I got him! Little bluegill. Might be, Guys, we're cooking up the fish that I speared, and I really don't have spices, so we're just gonna eat it.
Surprised they didn't give you salt and pepper in that MRE.
Oh yeah, there is. Okay guys, let's try some of this fish that I speared. Let's see. Want to try a little piece? Has some bones and stuff. Just tastes like a white fish.
A what fish?
Wait, just a white fish.
I don't know what that tastes like.
It's got like a little fishy taste to it. Probably because I cooked it with the skin on it.
That's about what I thought it would taste like.
Yeah.
I'm not a fish fan, that's the thing.
Yeah. He tried it though, that's good.
Wash it down with a burrito.
Yeah.
Beef.
A lot better than that fish, I must say. That fish tastes like it came right out of the lake and it was a little fishy. And that's exactly what just happened. That fish tastes a lot like fish. See if we can collect some firewood, guys, and then we're gonna have a fire and I might have a cup of coffee. Why not? Oh yeah.
Yeah, no use doing it now, it's 9 o'clock.
Yeah. We'd have to pour water on it. I don't want to waste water. Well, guys, I think it's time to get in the tents. What time is it?
It's gotta be 9:30 now. 9:29.
It's 9:29, guys. We still got some light out here, but not much. But me and John are gonna climb into the tents, and I'm gonna check for ticks, because we were walking through some pretty thick bush stuff. But I got my time lapse set up.
My back right there, I just picked off.
Look at it, he just found a tick.
Picked it off my neck.
I'm gonna de-tick. Okay, let's climb in here, guys. Put a light on.
Alright, we'll be tick inspection, John.
Tick inspection. Okay. Oh, it's nice to lay down.
That's what I'm looking forward to, just laying down. I don't even need to go to sleep right away, as I'm laying down.
I know. Well, guys, I didn't see really any ticks on me, so that's a win. I see a huge bug on the outside of the tent, though. Look at that. That's sick. Good morning, guys. It looks like we got some storms last night for sure. I'll have to check the time lapse and see what that looks like, because I saw like a lot of lightning at like 3:45 a.m. Looks like it's a little bit more brisk this morning. I have no jacket or nothing, bro, so I'm gonna get out and do some jumping jacks and warm up. But I think a nice hot cup of coffee is gonna wake me up. Mr. On the Trail 82 does not drink coffee. That's okay. You get some good morning shots?
What?
Did you get some good morning shots?
Yeah, geez. Once the sun was out, it'd be better.
Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you had fun on this adventure. We have some rain and stuff coming in, so very shortly we're gonna pack up and head back to civilization. I wanna thank On the Trail 82 again for having me at this really wonderful campsite. I'll see you guys in the future. Peace out.